Executive order revitalizing our nation's commitment to environmental justice for all.
When I was elected president, we vowed to take action on the most ambitious climate and environmental justice agenda in American history. And that's exactly what we did with your support. This executive order honors and builds on decades of work, including by many of you who are here today. Under this order, environmental justice will be the mission of the entire government, woven directly into how we work with state, local, tribal, and territorial governments. We're making real progress on the most ambitious environmental justice agenda in history. With this executive order, we'll go even further. To all of you, we're making progress, but there's much more to do to finish the job. There's nothing beyond our capacity if we work together, and we're going to get to work.